মেইন অফিস। তো খুবই ভালো একটা জায়গায় যাচ্ছে কানাডাতে, ওখানে
সামনে যাচ্ছি আমি ছবি তুলতে পারছি
হায়ার এডুকেশনের জন্য যাচ্ছে, খুবই ভালো কথা এটা। এবং আমাদের একটা সুবিধা যে কানাডাতে যাচ্ছে, এটা কোনো অপরচুনিটি বা কিছু পেলে বা যদি আমাদের কাজ করার ব্যাপারটা দেখতে পাচ্ছে, তার সাথে যা কথাবার্তা হচ্ছে সেটা পরের প্রশ্ন। তো আমরা একটাই বলবো যে ও ভালো আরও পড়াশোনা করে ভালো হোক এবং আরও বড় হোক। এবং আমি এটাই বলবো যে সবাই কোনো না কোনো কারণে যাচ্ছে, অনেকে অনেক রকম বলেই যায়, কিন্তু এটা জেনুইন কেস। অনেক বছর আগে আমাকে বলেছিল এবং আমি এবং সুদেশ জানতাম এটা, যে ও যাচ্ছে কানাডাতে পড়তে, এবং এই সময়টা পিছিয়ে শুধুমাত্র বিকজ অফ দ্য কোভিড। তো দ্যাট ইজ এ গুড থিং যে আমরা সবাই জানি ও যাচ্ছে ওখানে, ও শুনতেও যাচ্ছে পাচ্ছি। শুধু একটাই বলবো যে আমাদের এখানে অনিশদের টিমটা পুরোটা আসার পর থেকে, অনিশ পুনিত এই টিমটা বিশেষ করে আমাদের টেবিল টেনিস এবং গেমস এই পুরো জায়গাটা সেক্টর গুরপ্রীতকেও বলবো আমি। তো অনেকটাই যারা একটু রোজ খেলাধুলা বেশি করে বা যাদের একটা আগ্রহ ছিল বিভিন্ন জায়গায়, সেটা
কবে খেলছিস ভাই?
অনেকটা আস্তে আস্তে হয়েছে। ইভেন আমরা প্রপোজ করেছি এটা ক্যারাম বোর্ড চেঞ্জ করতে করতে সেটা স্যারের কাছ থেকে পারমিশন নিয়ে হয়েছে। 100% সেটার মধ্যে অনিশের অনেকটাই ভূমিকা ছিল। তো আমি বলবো সেটা একটা মুশকিল হবে। আর আমাদের পার্টনার যদি বড় পার্টনার, যেটা পুনিতের বড় পার্টনার চলে আছে, তাহলে এবার এটা বড় প্রশ্ন। হ্যাঁ, তো
আমি আছি এখন।
তো আমি এটাই বলবো ভালো হোক, এবং ও দাদার বিয়েতে গিয়ে আমরা খুব এনজয় করেছি, এটা আমি বলবো। এটা প্রদীপ দা ভেঙে হয়েছে অনেক কিছু, সেটা আমি বলতে কি ভেঙেছে। এটাকে বেশি ভারী বা আবহাওয়াটাকে খারাপ করে লাভ নেই। ভালো হয়েছে, ভালো জায়গায় যাচ্ছে, ভালো আরো পর, এবং আমি বলবো যে আরো উন্নতি হোক। এবং পিনাকেলে আসবে কি আসবে না সেটা ভবিষ্যৎ বলবে, বা ভবিষ্যৎ ভাববো। পিনাকেলের থেকে বেশি ভালো জায়গাতেই আরো যাওয়া উচিত, আরো ভালো জায়গা অনেক রয়েছে কানাডাতে। তো তারপরে যদি পিনাকেলে চান্স পাস বা চান্স পেলি বা কথা হবে নিশ্চয়ই আমাদের সঙ্গে এবং রিলেশন থাকবে। তো সত্যি আমরা একটা ভালো খেলোয়াড় করতে পারি, সেটা মিস করছি, যতটুকুই খেলতে পারতাম। অনেকটাই উন্নতি করেছে, বেশি খেলতে পারতো না, কিন্তু আস্তে 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 যখন শুভলক্ষ্মীকে নিয়ে আমাদের যে সেমিফাইনালটাকে আমাদের ফাইনালটা যখন গেছে, তখন শুভলক্ষ্মীর সঙ্গে ওই খেলে ভালো মানে ও ট্রেনিংও দিয়েছিল, ভালো নিয়েছিল। দ্যাট ইজ এ গুড থিং। তো আমরা আমাদের সবচেয়ে জুনিয়র কে আছে এখন? কেডি সবচেয়ে বন্ধু যেটা ছিল কে বলতে পারে? সবচেয়ে বড় বন্ধু কে ছিল?
हम मेरा सबसे अच्छा, मेरा किसी से खराब नहीं है।
শুনেনি, আর যদি কেউ কিছু বলার থাকে আর বলে নি, বিলটা যা আছে ঠিক আছে। আর কেউ বলার থাকলে একটু বলে না, ও বলুক, ও বলুক, ও বলুক, ও বলবে। তো আমাদের মধ্যে কিন্তু বলবে, কিছু বলতে যাবে ছিল
মানে আমরা অনেকের সাথে দেখা হচ্ছে দুর্গাপুরে, আমরা আগে ট্রেনিং ব্যাচে ছিলাম। ফার্স্ট ইমপ্রেশন কেমন, মানে একটু বেশি একটা বাওয়াল টাইপের, মানে সব জানতা টাইপের, কিন্তু তারপরে আস্তে আস্তে অনেকে মানে ফার্স্ট ইমপ্রেশন
सही था,
কিন্তু আস্তে আস্তে দেখলাম
ঠিক ই ছিল,
মানে ভেতরটা মানে আরো মানে ইজ রিয়েলি নাইস, খুব হেল্প করেছে। আমি অনেক গেছি, অনেক মানে চ্যাট প্যাট করে এইসব করে, আমরা একসাথে অনেক ফিল্মসও দেখতে গেছি, আমরা অনেক ফিল্ম দেখতে গেছি,
দেখতে গেছি ওরা দেখতে ছিল না।
খুব হেল্প করেছে। লকডাউনের সময় প্রত্যেকদিন ফোন করে মাথা খারাপ করতো। যাই হোক, ক্যানাডা হয়েছে, আপনি মাথা খারাপ করেন না। বেস্ট অফ লাক।
ना मैं हमेशा ही बोलता था अभी किसी और को मौका दीजिए। मैं बस फिर मैं हाँ तुम हमारा पार्टनर है, तुम बोलो।
we hope you all the best for your future. And really, I'm going to miss my TT partner because he was with me in the doubles competition. We went till the runners round, right?
Yes, yes.
We couldn't win. I thought that this time we'll win, but because of the COVID, we didn't have the chance. So maybe after 6:30 we can settle the score today. So Samada is not there. We can do that as well. Okay, all the way.
He is leaving today at 5:30 because he has to go. He has to attend some program for that. So some pav bhaji wala is there also. No, it's okay.
Just have to bid him goodbye.
Okay.
Oh, Rakesh, okay. Yeah, I know Rakesh.
Rakesh
Go
da.
bid him goodbye and smoke that gum.
Not for
Okay, that's all.
BD जगह क्यों भी?
Sandy.
About
Just one thing, he was a great communicator, one of the best communicator in the office, and I don't know about his work, but wherever he is going to a best place, and hopefully we'll definitely see together in future. I believe so. And what to say? He's a good communicator, but with extra vocal. That's it. All the very best for your life, and keep in touch. That's it.
Bolani, I have no words to say right now. Just I will say that I'm very thankful to each and every one of you who have helped me in this 3.5 years of my job experience, job life. And I'll forever remember these memories. And definitely I'll try to stay in touch with everyone, provided that you guys have the time and I do have the time apart from my studies. And I know working in Pinnacle is a big deal. You have to be there without using your phone for almost about 12 hours a day. And same thing. So I know, that's why I said I will try to be with touch with everyone, because I know there will be a time difference between there and now, because when you guys will be working, that time I will be sleeping there. When you guys will be sleeping, I'll be attending my classes.
I will be there when you will be attending your classes.
Yeah. So I'll try to stay in touch with everyone. I have nothing to say. I'm not getting the words right now to express. But yeah, one very good coincidence, like when the day I joined Pinnacle Kolkata office, I started my work life with Shamalda, and today also, like, it was my last day and I ended with Shamalda itself. I don't know whether it was a coincidence. I started with Revit. I ended with AutoCAD shop drawing. So shop drawing was a common thing in between. I started with shop drawing, I ended with shop drawing. But the only difference was the software platform. It was Revit and this time it was AutoCAD. And other than that, I would say the coolest manager I have worked under is no other than Sujayda. He's cool as ice. I have never seen him say something. And I have seen, one thing I have seen personally is, even if I make mistake or you guys make mistake, he'll never say that you have made any mistake. He'll keep all the blame upon himself. So the coolest guy I have worked with is Sujayda.
तो जाते थे फंसा के जा रहा था किस तरह दिए
I have got different reporting managers. I started with Prasanda, so he has a good record that no one has left Prasanda.
ये भी Prasanda को छोड़ के बच गया.
And he was saying me that I am fortunate that you are not in my team anymore. You went to Chanduda's team. That's why you are leaving, or else my record would have been worse. So Prasanda, I am very much thankful that I am not in your team right now.
देखा?
And Chanduda, he's been very good with me. He taught me many basics of mechanical and other trades. And he's never said no to anything. Whenever I went to him for some help, he was always there to help me out with each and every case. And if I come to the BD team, to Sandida, and Patda is not there, but I would say that Sandida and Pritam has helped me a lot in getting my admission done, because I have to submit the LORs from my college as well as from my office. So the official thing was done by Sandida and Pritam Da, so for that I'll be forever grateful to you, and your names will always be indulged there, because in those 2 years your name will always highlight in my student portal that you were my you have given my recommendation in my university. So I'll be like, I have learned a lot from Sandida and Patda regarding the business sort of thing, how I can grow along, how I can manage things out of my technical things, because that is not the only thing which I look forward in my life. I want to collaborate both the technical as well as the managerial things. So they have helped me a lot. And among the seniors, Avikda is there, Romikda is there, who are no less than an elder brother to me. They have helped me in every case. They have always hold my hands in every step, and they have helped me in whichever things I have asked for. And I'm very sorry if I have not mentioned any name. Among the junior batches, Gurpreet, Deepak, Shubhadeep Dhara, KD, Puneet, they all were fantastic. They were no less than my brother, and Kesto. And yeah, one more name like Santosh that has been very helpful to me. He was there in the Luxel project which I worked under. He has taught me many things regarding the architectural thing. And Tosenda, Shamalda, Sujata, these three were the gems of Pinnacle, to be honest. These three are the best manager I have worked under, and they were very cool with me. And I have never seen them shouting at someone. That's all. Sorry if I have not mentioned out any names. That's all I have to say.
You forgot all of that.
Regarding Dada, yeah, I'm very confused right now. The best thing I would say about sir is like, I've never seen any manager, if I compare that with the leave policy, because I've never seen him say no to anyone. He'll start with no. He will never start with yes, that is for sure. He will never say yes in the beginning. He will say that I will see to it, I will see to it, but later on he is the man. Every 30th or 31st, he's the man who will call you up and say your attendance is not right, even though it is not his responsibility to see. It is our responsibility to check our HR1 and see if our attendance is all right or not. But he is the one who will always remind every second half of 30 or 31st, he'll shout and will say that please check your attendance. That is like one of the coolest things which I've seen about him. And regarding sports, sir, regarding sport, he was very helpful to me, and he has helped me a lot with out of this box. Apart from the work things and all, he's the fittest guy I've seen in this office. Because when I played TT or any other carom boards, and I have seen him how active he is and how fit he is. And I can say that I am also not even fit. Even Puneet is not that much respect as if I compare it with Arup sir.
No, Puneet is sick. Every 2 days he gets sneezing.
And the learning stuff, Arup sir was very cool with me. He's always given me the opportunity to learn new things. Be it R&D, be it training, or be it anything. He has always helped me with learning new things. You can say other softwares or pointing out things, or 2-3 new software which I introduced to Pinnacle. So he was very cool with it, and he has helped me in every step. And previously I used to feel very bad whenever he used to shout at me. Then after 1 or 2 years, it was like whenever he used to shout at me, I used to listen from one ear and let because I knew that his anger would last hardly for 3 or 4 hours. Every morning if he shouts upon me, I'll take it very sportingly in this last 2 years. Because I know in the second half or after 5 or 5:30, he'll be the one who will be like making the atmosphere really cool. And 3 and 4 of us will go there, we'll surround him. We'll start cracking jokes and all. So like in the first year I was very upset when he used to shout at me or when he used to scold me inside the room. And I was the first one among the junior batch who went in that room within the first week of joining Pinnacle Kolkata office. Thank you to Shamalda. He was the one who complained that Anish is saying that he doesn't want to work after 6:30. And now sir will also believe that he is the one who always forces me that go home, don't stay now. Because every day nowadays he has to say me after 7:30 that why are you staying here? Go back home. And I was that guy who never wanted to stay after 6:30. So that was the major change which came to my life in this 3.5 years. And I'm very proud of it. That's all. Thank you.